Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. We completed our exercise 3.3, right? Now let us move further with our exercise 3.4. The first question, children, we are given here. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. Children, here few statements are given. We have to answer whether it is certain to happen, whether it is impossible, or it can happen but not certain. Okay, the first one we are given, you are older today than yesterday. Children, obviously you will be older tomorrow, right? So yesterday you are smaller, the day after you will be bigger, right? That means it is certain to happen. The second one, children, a tossed coin will land heads up. Children, it can happen. So whenever you toss a coin, it is possible that you get a head, but it is not possible every time, right? So we can answer it that it can happen but not certain. That is, it is not sure to have either head or tails, right? Third one, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Children, you know what is a die, right? When you play Ludo and all that, you have seen that die. What is the maximum number in that? 6, right? But what is given to us in the question? That it will land up with 8. Then is it possible to have 8 on that when you toss? No. So it is impossible because there are only 6 faces on a die and which are marked with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on it. Okay, so let us move. What is next, children, for us? The next traffic light seen will be green. Children, here also same thing. It is possible that the next light will be green, but not certainly that it will be green only. It can be either red also and yellow also. So it can happen but not certain. That will be our answer, right? Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Children, here also it is possible and it may not be possible. That means I can say that it can happen but not certain, right? Now what is the next for us? Now question number 2, children. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So in a box, how many marbles are there, children? 6 marbles are there, numbered 1 to 6. Now we have to answer the question on the basis of that. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Now suppose in a box you are given marbles. If I pick out 1 marble, is it possible that every time you will get the first marble you pick out will be 2 only? No, that is not possible actually. But let us find what is the probability of it. Now from the question it is given that there are 6 marbles and the probability of drawing a marble with number 2, that is, what is the probability that whenever you take 2 number, it is possible only 1 time. If you want 2 first time to be drawn, only 1 time you can get 2 as a marble. But after how many total? If I put 6 marbles are there, so for a second time you can have 2, suppose you have 3, you can have 5, you can have 6, that is 6 times you can draw the marbles, that is total number. The total number if you take out from each one time, 6 times you can draw the marbles, but from there you can get 2 only 1 time. So out of total 6 outcomes, only 1 time you can have 2. So you can say the probability of drawing 2 from the given box is 1 by 6. So this is our answer, children. That is 1 by 6 is the probability of drawing marble with number 2. Now, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Children, as I told you, same thing here. When you draw the marble, you don't know whether the first time you are picking is 5 only. It can be 1, it can be 3, it can be 5, 4, anything. That means the possibility that out of 6 is total is 6, right? That is 6 marbles, you can take out 6 times. But from there, to get number 5 is only possible 1 time. So these are the total possible outcome and the favorable one is only, favorable one means what you want. So what I want is possible only 1 time after of total 6 times. So what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? That is 1 by 6. Okay, so Just try to calculate orally. It is possible orally, nothing more you need here. So children, third question children I have. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Children, whenever you toss a coin, you may either get heads or tail. Okay, now let us see what it is. A coin has two faces, that is head and the other one tail. Now one team can choose either head or tail. It is not possible that both the team will take as head only and both will take tail only. It has to be taken either of it, right? Either head or tail. Now total possible outcomes, how many are there? Head and tail, that is 2. Now after that, any one team can get either head or other can get tail. That means only one team is going to win. So what is the favorable outcome? 1. So what is the probability of the coin when flipped, then team which starts the game will be what? It will be 1 by 2, because any team, only one out of 2 can start the game. It is not possible by 2 of them, right? So with that, now let us see what we have. Now with this we end our chapter here. Thank you and have a nice day.